spotlight of the global naval convergence shifted to the much anticipated International City Parade at Beach, Visakhapatnam in India. The skies above the coastline came alive with an Air Force powered demonstration by Indian naval aircraft and helicopters, showcasing precision flying and operational capability, followed by a grand marching parade featuring contingents and military bands from the Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, and an Indian Coast Guard, alongside foreign contingents presenting their ceremonial credentials, adding youthful energy to the parade where participants from the National Cadet Corps, Sea Cadet Corps, and Navy Children's School, vibrant cultural groups and artistic tableau celebrating India's maritime heritage and diversity further enriched the spectacular. The evening culminated with a ceremonial illumination of ships anchored off the coast, followed by a synchronized display of fireworks, laser lights, and ground formation, turning the shoreline into a dazzling canvas of light and color. With diplomacy, defense, and culture coming together, Visakhapatnam once again stood at the center of global maritime attention. Jai Hind, this is Teja Talnakro reporting for Sudarshan World with camera person Abhishek Kumar Dubey at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, India.